Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve marketing strategies with MailerLite beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with MailerLite, first, create an account on their website. Once you're logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Now, create a new campaign by clicking on the Campaigns tab. Select Create Campaign to begin setting up your email. Choose a campaign type, such as regular or automated, depending on your goals. For a regular campaign, select a template that matches your branding. Customize the template by adding your content, images, and links. Use the drag and drop editor for an easy design experience. Before sending, preview your email to ensure everything looks perfect. After finalizing your content, set your campaign name and subject line. By clicking Next, you'll move on to the Recipients section. Once you've chosen your recipients, proceed to the Scheduling section. Decide whether to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for later. If you opt to schedule, select the date and time for delivery. After confirming the settings, click Send or Schedule to launch your campaign. Once your emails are sent, check the Reports tab to analyze performance metrics. Use these insights to refine future campaigns and improve overall results. Remember to continually test different elements in your emails. Experiment with subject lines, visuals, and send times for optimal performance. As you gain experience, integrate automation features for more efficient workflows. Create automated workflows for welcome emails, abandoned carts, or re-engagement. Finally, stay updated on email marketing trends to ensure your strategies remain relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.